Hello guys, so today I wanted to show you how you can set up an arming button on the Flysky-i6x without using any flight controller on your plane. So reason why I set up this button is that I don't want to be able by mistake to turn the throttle up as soon as I turn on this device. So if I turn it on and I will push it up when the plane is active, then my plane will start throttling up, and I don't want this one to happen. So similarly, when you have a drone, for example, you want to arm first the drone and then to fire it. It's a sort of safety reason. You don't want your fingers to be cut, to be honest. So I'm gonna show you. It's very simple. So you have to go in the menu. So you can go in function setup, and then first of all have a look at the display. So decide which channel you want to use as arming button. So I want to use this one, which is actually channel 8. So keep that in mind, and I want to apply to the throttle, which is in this case my channel 3, as you can see here. So we have to go back, we have to scroll down to mixes, and then we have to set up a new mix. So you can have as many mixes as you want, so you can go up and down. You can see there are possible up maximum 3 mixes. So I just have this one actually. You can press OK, so to set this thing up. So here you have to put it on, of course. So you have to set up your master as channel 8. So the master is the one that is controlling controlling your controls actually on top of the others. So I want to set up this button here as is gonna be the one that allows the throttle to be fired, and then slave is gonna be my throttle one, so it's gonna be channel 3. And the combination that I found that is working is if you put positive mix 100%, negative mix 100%, and offset -50. So remember to go back and save this thing by clicking and keeping cancel button pressed as soon as you hear the sound. And then the second thing that you have to do is that if you want this one to be armed when you push down, then you have to go to the reverse, and then you have to look for channel 8, and you have to put it in the reverse position. In this case it's already there, but I believe it's not when you first start your controller. So reason why, if I of course, as you know, when you turn on the device, you cannot turn it on unless all the switches are up. So it means that this one you have to turn it on and you push it up to turn on properly the controller. And I want that in this position, as soon as I turn it on, it's going to be disarmed, and I have to manually turn it down to arm the button. So if you want to check this thing, you can go again to function setup and go to display. Now remember, down is the arm position, up is gonna be your disarm position. So now it's up, and as you can see, even if I turn up and down my throttle, the channel 3, which is my throttle channel, is not moving at all, so it's keeping on the 0 value. But if I push this one down, then I'm able to turn it up and down. So I found this thing very useful, and of course if you don't have a flight controller, that's the only possible way to set it up on this controller. So Let me know what you think about it, and if you think that is useful, give a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye!